Another day, another AI tool from China, called Manus. This agent has some differences from its competitors. Other chatbots generate results based on prompts given by humans, but Manus operates autonomously and sometimes intervenes in decision-making. It can plan and execute tasks without relying on user-provided data. First of all, it is not currently available to the public, so we will review it based on the data provided on its website. Its website is manus.im, and it has an introductory video showcasing its functionalities. One example is that Manus can open and control a browser, simultaneously viewing up to 50 pages, extracting data, and performing tasks such as gathering statistics. Another example, shared by Manus on its X page, shows a Tesla car being controlled while Manus handles the driver's personal tasks on a tablet, such as responding to emails and scheduling meetings.
Now enter the roundabout and take the first exit.
The person does nothing manually. Now, let's review the demos presented in its introduction video. The first demo shows that Manus can be assigned a task to review a large number of received resumes. You specify the criteria you're looking for, and it will filter out the resumes accordingly. You can also observe the processing steps it takes. And in the end, it provides the results in several PDF files. The second demo is about real estate search. You ask it to find a house in New York with specific features in a certain area. Manus first researches which neighborhoods best match your criteria, then opens the browser, collects data from various real estate websites, and even applies filters to refine the search. Finally, it provides you with a report of its findings. The third demo involves stock market analysis. The task is to analyze Nvidia and 2 other stocks over the past 3 years and report the results. Manus retrieves the necessary data from relevant websites, generates charts, and even creates an interactive web page where you can view the results. You can use this page on your own website. Manus has more capabilities. Let's go back to its website and examine some of the use cases listed there. One interesting case is that users can test it themselves. It's not just a video demonstration. Here, an Excel file is given, representing last month's sales data. The task is to analyze it and suggest ways to increase sales for the next month. On the left side, you can see the process as it applies Python scripts to the file, creates necessary folders for storing results, and generates a downloadable final report. Additionally, the insights are displayed in a readable text format on the right side, providing sales strategies for improvement. Another interesting use case involves game creation. A user requests a game simulating a debate between Trump and Zelensky, where the user plays as one side of the debate. Manus first researches the debate's topic and content, then builds the game and publishes it on a website, providing a link to access it. The game starts with an explanation, then moves into an interactive debate where Trump says something, and you get multiple choice responses. Based on your choice, Trump responds accordingly. Until now, no agent had these capabilities. Manus utilizes ChatGPT and Claude APIs for some tasks. Now, let's check its benchmark results. This report was published by Gaia, showing that Manus outperforms OpenAI in logic, data processing, external tool usage, and more. How can you use this tool? Currently, it is not publicly available and requires an invitation code for access. You can click Apply for access, submit your details, and join the waiting list. I already sent my request. It will probably ask for information when you click this button for the first time. There is another way to test it locally. On GitHub, there is an open source project called Manus, but it requires knowledge of Python and terminal commands. However, I haven't personally tested it because I saw a YouTube video where someone attempted a local test and encountered numerous errors. It was extremely slow and ultimately failed to deliver the expected results. I'll share that person's YouTube channel link so you can check it out yourself. Also, since it is still in beta, we don't know what's happening behind the scenes with this agent. Personally, I'm eager for its public release to test it myself. This is a sign of where the world is heading. AI capable of managing our tasks and even integrating into robots to take over real-world responsibilities. Stay tuned for future updates and the introduction of upcoming AI agents.